就开始。谢谢各位的配合。We'd also like to ask all of our media friends to please take your seats and settle in. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause as we welcome our beloved Manila City Mayor, the Honorable Isko Moreno Domagoso. 让我们以最热烈的掌声欢迎我们的马尼拉市长 Isko Moreno.
Ayan, doon pala.
Once again, may we request everyone to please settle in and take your seats. Once again, may we request everyone to please settle in and take your seats, as our program will start in a few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, happy Chinese New Year. May we request everyone to please settle in and take your seats. We'd also like to ask our media friends to please settle in and take place, as the program will start in a short while.
Hinahanap baba na muna. Hinahanap. Hinahanap, gas ka muna. Hinahanap, gas ka muna kanina mo. Gas ka muna kanina mo.
May I request all of our media personnel to please take your seats. Our program will start. Ladies and gentlemen, to officially begin today's celebration, please welcome our auspicious lions, a powerful symbol of prosperity, courage, and good fortune for the year ahead. 欢庆锣鼓喜连天，龙腾狮舞送吉祥。有请祥狮献瑞。 起来，吉祥的雄狮舞了起来。在这个激情欢乐的气氛中，我们的新春佳节活动拉开了帷幕。Isang manigong bagong taong Chino sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful, wonderful, and spectacular Chinese New Year to everybody. Gong Hei Fat Choi. Wow, can I just say, I love that everybody is wearing red. It's really fantastic to see all of you here as we witness our countdown today. Yes, our Chinese New Year countdown brought to you by the city government of Manila, led by our beloved mayor, the Honorable Isko Moreno. Hello, sir. Thank you so much for leading us here. We are incredibly excited for this one. 新春佳节，中华大地处处喜庆，迎新春，团圆时刻，海外游子人人殷殷盼团圆。尊敬的各位领导、各位来宾、女士们、先生们，大家新年好！祝大家马到成功，步步高升。接下来呢，就让我们在这个欢快喜庆的夜晚，用掌声传递祝福。还有用我们的欢笑迎接好运。那么接下来呢，让我们特别开心的迎接我们马年的到来。And now, ladies and gentlemen, to officially start tonight's celebration, let us give a big round of applause as we welcome here Federation of Filipino Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated President Mr. Victor Lim for the welcome speech. 让我们以最热烈的掌声欢迎飞华商联总会理事长林荣辉先生上台致欢迎词，掌声欢迎。
His Excellency Ambassador Jing Chen, the Ambassador of People's Republic of China, Honorable Mayor Isko Moreno de Magoso, our friendly mayor to the Chinese community, Honorable Vice Mayor Chia Tiansa, Honorable Special Envoy Manny Techico, Mr. Liu Keping of the Chinese community, officials of the city government of Manila, friends in the Filipino at Chino Magkaibigan Foundation, esteemed guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Happy Chinese New Year from the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Inc. or FFCCCII. Tonight, we are gathered here as one of a big family to welcome the Chinese New Year and usher the year of the fire horse. The horse symbolizes strength, hard work, and perseverance, qualities that we need in the community for us to move forward and overcome all the challenges. With a high hope and fresh energy, it is heartwarming to see us all here as one of the community, celebrating our strong bonds and carrying joyful spirit into the new year. May our efforts to achieve personal growth and alignment with our collective aspiration for the greater development of beloved city and country. This celebration is made even more meaningful with the partnership between the city government of Manila and the Filipino Chinese community. Over the past weeks,
Kuya,
our
sabihan mo
federation
yung
worked
sabi yung
together
wife.
with the city government for the cultural activities that will culminate tomorrow with the Chinese New Year Grand Parade in the Chinatown. And we wish to extend our grateful gratitude to Mayor Isko Moreno and city officials for the full support We would also like to thank the different departments of the city government of Manila, the MPD, BFP, MNDA, PCG, media partners, our FFCCCII Secretariat, and all our friends in the Filipino-Chinese community who contributed to the success of our Chinese New Year activities. Indeed, great things happen when we all work hard, hand in hand together. Let us continue to pursue programs that uplift lives, support business growth, and promote harmony in the society. In the spirit of unity, cooperation, and service to our fellow men. As we welcome the Chinese Lunar New Year, may one way of home to filled with the blessings and good health, our careers and businesses, with more opportunities in our nation, with peace and order and prosperity. And may the year of the fire horse carry us toward greater success, achievements, and progress. Once again, Happy Chinese New Year! 新年快乐! 恭喜发财! 谢谢! Mabuhay! At salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much， 也祝您新年快乐，林仁辉先生，谢谢您。Thank you so much to Mr. Victor Lim for starting tonight on such a high note. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my distinct honor to warmly welcome Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the People's Republic of China to the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency 景全。接下来，让我们以最热烈的掌声隆重欢迎中华人民共和国驻菲律宾共和国特命全权大使景全阁下上台致辞，掌声有请。
Honorable Mayor Espo Moreno, distinguished guests, members of the Chinese community, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm so delighted to be here with Mayor Espo Moreno and all the friends to celebrate the arrival of the Chinese Lunar New Year, the Year of the Horse. On behalf of the Chinese Embassy in the Philippines, I would like to extend our most sincere New Year greetings and best wishes to everyone gathered here tonight. The Spring Festival is the most important traditional holiday in Chinese civilization. During a brief tour to Binondo just a few days ago, I was deeply impressed by the diligence and the perseverance of generations Filipino Chinese, and I'm also moved by how Chinese culture has taken root, blossomed, and flourished here in the Philippines' diverse and inclusive land. For thousands of years, we're close neighbors and friends. As the Chinese often say, close neighbors are better than distant relatives. So over the past decade, China has consistently been the Philippines' largest trading partner and the largest source of imports. So we strongly believe that we're neighbors, so we're friends. Neighbors, friends should always like each other, help each other, respect each other, and learn from each other. I've been in the Philippines for almost 2 months, so my team and I were working extremely hard every day. Our purpose, is to further stabilize China-Philippines relations and promote the people-to-people exchange. With our efforts, we have worked to resume political dialogue at the end of January. That political dialogue had stopped for over 1 year, so our embassy will help to resume the political dialogue. So both sides also agreed on a roadmap, and we're committed to upgrading this dialogue and expanding it into more areas like trade, investment, education, people to people. Not long ago, the Philippine government announced a 14-day visa-free policy for Chinese citizens, which is welcomed by both sides. I heard more and more Chinese tourists are coming back. Through the continuous efforts of the embassy, China has also decided to launch a direct flight between Fujian and Cebu, which would facilitate more two-way travel between Chinese and Filipino citizens. And I hope there will be more good news and achievements in the future through our joint efforts. So, ladies and gentlemen, the past year has inscribed a new chapter in China's development story. Steady progress has been made in advancing Chinese modernization, driven by a powerful momentum of high-quality development. We are not only committed to delivering a better life for the over 1.4 billion Chinese people, but also consistently view our own development as an opportunity for the world. We're ready to share our development gains with our other countries, including the Philippines, to achieve mutual benefit and shared progress. The Chinese embassy would keep its doors wide open for the engagement with all sectors in the Philippines to enhance mutual trust and understanding. I hope that all the people here will continue to serve as envoys and bridges of China-Philippines friendship by contributing to the steady growth of our bilateral relations. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, the Spring Festival symbolizes reunion, hope, and new beginnings, while the horse represents vigor and determination. In this year of the horse, let us take the lead and gallop forward together to put China-Philippines relations firmly back on track. Finally, I wish all guests and friends a joyful Spring Festival and a prosperous Year of the Horse and a happiness for every family.
亲爱的在菲律宾的中国的广大的华侨华人，在这里呢，我也想借这个机会给大家拜年。过去的一年大家辛苦了，新的一年呢，也希望大家发扬龙马精神，一马当先，马到成功。希望大家在新的一年里边，日子过得幸福美满，大家都健健康康、开开心心、高高兴兴，新春快乐，恭喜发财！谢谢 ，Thank you， 阿布哈。
谢谢，非常感谢景泉大使阁下的致辞，非常感谢您。哇，确实是时间真的过得非常快，转眼之间，我们又要迎来充满希望与喜悦的新的一年。At sa pagkakataong ito, buong galang at karangalan nating ipinapakilala ang alkalde ng lungsod ng Maynila, ang kagalang-galang The Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso, isang masigabong palakpakan para sa kanila. 让我们以最热烈的掌声欢迎马纳市长 Isko Moreno.
Baka niya naman si Candice. Tutulungan niya ako na maunawaan din ng ating mga banyagang bisita na galing pa ng mainland just to celebrate with us.
好的，现在请允许我为我们的市长简单的翻译一下，就是也热烈欢迎我们来自中国的各位朋友们特地过来和我们庆祝新春佳节。
Galing, di ba?
Salamat.
Sino ba binata dyan? Taas ang kamay. Dalaga pa to, it's. Anyway, thank you very much. Candice, we're really happy and excited seeing you around. But to our Excellency, Ambassador Jin Kwang, Ambassador People's Republic of China to the Philippines. Palakpakan nun natin si Ambassador.
让我们最热烈掌声欢迎我们的景泉大使阁下。
Para sa ating mga kababayan, maswerte lang yung Cebu. Pero siyempre, ang ikaulad ng kapwa natin Pilipino saan mang dako ng Pilipinas ay dapat na ikalugod nating mga batang Maynila. Sapagkat through the leadership of our new ambassador in the country, there will be more flights coming from China to Cebu. More flights, more tourists, more jobs and business for the country.
好，因为这位先生，我们以后呢会有更多航班、更多航线，这样的话，我们菲律宾会更多来自中国的游客，所以非常感谢。
May kalalagyan talaga mga rito. Diyan nga pala yung misis ko. I'm really happy, for the ambassador's effort to really strengthen the ties between two countries and neighboring countries with long understanding and relationship, among others. Ang ating China-Philippines relationship. And it's very important sa amin dito sa Maynila. Tayo sa Maynila. One way or another, tingnan nyo yung nasa kanan nyo, tingnan nyo yung nasa kaliwa nyo. Most likely, may 10% Chinese blood yung katabi ninyo.
非常感谢我们的大使们拉近我们非洲两国的关系。然后呢，你们看看身边旁边的各位亲戚朋友们，大家其实也有中国的血统。
Yes. Pero hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi yan.
Hindi nga lang, joke lang, Mayor.
Kaya naman na ikinalulugod ko na taon-taon ang Filipino-Chinese Chambers through Victor and the officers and other member organization in Chinatown. Nagsasama-sama, nagkakaisa upang makapaghandog ng isang magandang selebrasyon, pagsalubong ng tinatawag nating Chinese New Year in the country. At ang biggest Chinese community, Filipino-Chinese community, is located in the city of Manila.
就是在我们的马尼拉城市，是我们最多华人
Teka
的。
muna, ba't nauna yung Manila eh? Sa dulo ko sinabi yung Manila.
OK， 所以呢，就是每一年都特别期待和大家欢聚一堂，我们一起团结一致的在这个中国城。
And I would like to remind my fellow Filipino, this is a reminder especially to the young ones, sa mga batang Maynila. Alam po ninyo, magsiyasat po kayo. Hindi lang mo natin sila kasama para makipag-barter, makipagpalitan ng goods, at makipagnegosyo. Since time immemorial, especially during the World War II, there is a battalion or a group of Filipino-Chinese who fought against an occupier of this country. You will see their pictures and videos, and maybe some of their families are here, ancestors, who fought side by side with the Filipino soldiers for our liberation. You can visit the area in Bahay Chino in Intramuros. And pagka dumako pa kayo sa dulo, yung mas maagang gera yun. Yung nakikita nyong Ongpin Street, o yun po yung si Roman Ongpin. Isa sa first generation Chinese who went to the country, successfully built this business, and yet when our heroes, our ancestor, Filipino ancestor revolutionaries wanted independence, that guy spent his money to fund and help the Philippine revolutionary heroes of this country. Patay, ang haba nito.
就是我现在是想要对我们的马尼拉之子跟你们说这个，就是呢，很早以前我们的祖先就来到了这里，他们是华人，但是那个时候呢，是菲律宾正在打仗，是第二战争，然后呢，他们还是继续帮助革命，他们牺牲了自己，为了追求我们最需要的就是这个自由。然后呢，如果你们可以到我们的博物馆叫What's the museum again? Bahay Chino. Bahay Chino 的这个博物馆可以看到他们的一些照片，让我们回忆他们。非常感谢我们以前的祖先，他们真的是帮助我们很大的一个忙。
Kaya talaga naman bagay na dapat ipakita natin ang paggalang sa isa't isa. Alam ko, minsan yung ilan sa atin may karanasang hindi maganda, ganun din sila, may karanasan din silang hindi maganda sa atin. But at the end of the day, tayo-tayo rin na nagkita sa finals. Mapapansin ninyo. Tayo-tayo rin. Kapwa Manileño. Kaya lagi natin ipararamdam bilang mga batang Maynila, bilang Manileño, ang sino mang dadako sa lungsod ng Maynila. Ano man lahi, partikular lamang ngayon, mga kababayan nating Filipino-Chinese, lagi natin iparamdam sa kanila ang mainit na pagtanggap sa ating mga bisita.
就是呢，我们虽然会有一些疑问或者是困惑，但是我想要跟大家说，就是我们要互相尊重，哪怕是不管是不同的血统，但是我们要让他们感受到我们菲律宾人、我们马尼拉人向他们的热情。
Katulad itong Jones Bridge, naalala niyo nung first term ko, pinailawan natin, inayos natin, binalik natin sa lumang panahon, naging picture or what you call Instagrammable. Maraming nasakal dito.
还记得我任期的第一次，
Kasal na, kasal.
我们的这一座桥当时都还没有这些灯光，但是现在呢，我们放了这些灯光，这样的话，这个就已经变成了一个网红打卡区域。
And the one who spent money is our fellow Filipino-Chinese organization for this beautification of Jones Bridge. And that brought the attention of the national government through the leadership of President Bongbong Marcos na nakikita nyo ngayon at First Lady Yang Esplanade. So nagduktong-duktong na, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Kaya mahaba, malalim ang ating relasyon. Kaya to our Presidential Special Envoy to China for Trade, Investment and Tourism, Benny Tichico, thank you very much. Palakpakan natin, yan ang representative natin sa Office of the President at sa Office naman of the Mayor, Tony C. O yan, si Tony C. Yung mga taga-downtown, alam ko, Hapsoy. Hardware. Diba? Kung maalala ninyo, si Tony C.
好，非常感谢两位他们呢，他们代表我们的政府来到这里，然后呢，也想说，就是呢，我们站住这个桥，这座桥是我们的华人同胞，所以非常感谢他们。
Sa ating mga banyagang dumako pa ngayon para sa selebrasyon na ito, welcome po kayo sa Maynila. I welcome kayo magnegosyo. No harm will come to you as long as I'm mayor. But in the same manner, I will not also allow abuse to one another. Just do business, strive, and there is a big market in this city. We have about 2 million nighttime and 3 million daytime. It's a huge market. In fact, I would like to share this, and it's very timely, Your Excellency, Your Ambassador. We grow year-on-year data from a 2025 data of January to February 13, 2026 new administration data, January to February 13, we grew by 104% of new businesses registered in the city of Manila. Dumoble.
所以市长是说呢，只要他是市长呢，我绝对不会让你们受到滥用或者是不公的这种发生在你们身上。所以呢，也非常感谢我们来自中国的各位朋友们，感谢你们来到这里和我们一起庆祝这个活动。然后也想跟大家说一个好消息，那就是呢，我们这里的生意企业涨了104%，104%。
Yes. Now, our government, the local government of Manila may not be perfect. Alam mo, malaki kaming organisasyon. We're about 20,000 of them under my watch. But one thing is for sure, I would like to share to each and everyone, especially sa mga kababayan ko sa lungsod ng Maynila. Our crime rate at the end of last quarter dropped to negative 13%.
犯罪率下降30%。
And our efficiency in crime solution approach rose to 9%.
然后呢，我们帮助这些呢，也是涨了9%。
Alam ko mahalaga sa inyo yung mga numero na yan. Ayan ang mga numero na kung saan ay yung aming pangarap para sa aming mga kababayan. Kayo'y maging panatag ang pamumuhay sa lungsod ng Maynila. Maliwalas, di baling luma ang Maynila, pero punong-puno ng kasaysayan at istorya. The least thing that we can do as government is maging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay.
我们的政府，我们的马尼拉虽然已经古老了，就是已经很早以前就有了，但是呢，我们这里呢很有丰富的历史。
Kaya huwag ko kayong mag-alala sa kasama ko si Vice Mayor at mga konsehal ng Maynila at Department Head na nandito. Kami po'y magbubuti. Pipilitin ko pong magsikap na mapabuti muli ang katatayuan ng ating lungsod, partikular na ang ating mamamayan.
对，我们是良好以节约的政府呢。我们这里还有我们的市政府，就是我们市政府的各位成员们、我们的议员们，还有我们的市分子，所以非常感谢。然后呢，我们一定会为人民服务。
Galing talaga. Palalim na ng palalim yung Tagalog ko, naintindihan pa rin niya. So muli sa inyong lahat, New Year. Siguro the least, or the very least that I can wish, more than anything else. Let there be peace in our home, in our family, in our community, in our city, in our country, and our neighboring countries. Peace is hard to find. Sometimes it's very expensive. But with peace, there is progress. There is opportunity. So, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat.
新年快乐！希望我们这里会变得很和平，世界和平。
And good health to each and every one of you.
祝大家身体健康。
And again, I would like to take this opportunity to my fellow Manileños, to visitors of Manila, to our guests, to our Filipino-Chinese community, still living generation of individuals and family. No? I am taking this opportunity to ask you, humbly, buong kababaang loob, nakikisuyo ako sa inyo, tulungan po ninyo ako, because I cannot do this on my own, alone. I need each and every one of you to participate in your own little way, because together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang gabi at pagpalain nawa kayo ng poong may kapal. Manila! God first. Thank you.
让我们再次让马尼拉更加伟大。谢谢 ，Thank you so much。
Ano sinabi?
Sige, sabihin ko lang. Kasi,
Kaya palakpakan natin si Candice.
thank you so much, Your
Now,
Honor.
enjoy the evening. Courtesy of the Federation. Thank you.